Which is the oldest code of law in India? Answer: Manusmriti. Private international law is also called. Answer: conflict of laws. A nominal sum given as a token for striking a sale is called. Answer: earnest money. Joint heirs to a property are called. Answer: corpusciners. The right of a party to initiate an action and be heard before a court of law is called. Answer: locus standi. Indian Parliament is based on the principle of. Answer: bicameralism. The Supreme Court held that evidence can be recorded by video conferencing in the case. Answer: State of Maharashtra versus Praful B. Desai. When the master is held liable for the wrongful act of his servant, the liability is called. Answer: vicarious liability. The act of unlawfully entering into another's property constitutes. Answer: trespass. Which parliamentary committee in Indian system of democracy is chaired by a member of opposition party? Answer: Public Accounts Committee. Supreme Court held that preamble as a basic feature of constitution cannot be amended in the case of. Answer: Keshav Nanda Bharti versus the state of Kerala. In the year 2002, the Competition Act was enacted replacing. Answer: MRTP Act. A right to recover a time-barred debt is. Answer: imperfect right. The law relating to prisoners of war has been codified by. Answer: Geneva Convention. Public holidays are declared under. Answer: Negotiable Instruments Act. When a person is prosecuted for committing a criminal offence, the burden of proof is on. Answer: prosecution. An offence which can be compromised between the parties is known as. Compoundable offence. Husband and wife have a right to each other's company. The right is called. Answer: conjugal right. A person dying intestate mean he died without making a will. If a witness makes a statement in court knowing it to be false, he commits the offence of. Answer: perjury. A child born after father's death is. Answer: posthumous. A formal instrument by which one person empowers another to represent him is known as. Answer: power of attorney. The temporary release of a prisoner is called. Answer: parole. The offence of inciting disaffection, hatred or contempt against government is. Answer: sedition. India became the member of United Nations in the year. Answer: 1945. A party to the suit is called. Answer: litigant. Who lead the 4 members committee appointed to study the center-state relations, especially the changes took place since Sarkaria Commission? Answer: Justice M.M. Panchi. No one can be convicted twice for the same offence. This doctrine is called. Answer: double jeopardy. A participant in the commission of a crime is popularly known as. Answer: accomplice. Which of the following is not payable to central government? Answer: land revenue. Where is the National Judicial Academy located? Answer: Bhopal. Who has the constitutional right to the audience in all Indian court? Answer: Attorney General. Which of the following is not included in the preamble to the Constitution? Answer: morality. Court of record is a court which. Answer: can punish for its contempt. A judge to the Supreme Court can be removed from office only on grounds of answer. Proven misbehavior, incapacity. Fiduciary relationship means a relationship built on answer. Trust. The chairman of the Halka Inquiry Commission is answer. Justice S.N. Fukan. The concept of judicial review has been borrowed from the Constitution of answer. USA. Every duty enforceable by law is called answer. Obligation. The killing of a newborn child by its parent is answer. Infanticide.